What you doing, bud? Uh-oh. You got the lid. Hey, Patrick, don't put that in your mouth. No, putting the cap in your mouth. But, Mommy, I want that. Uh-oh. You broke it. No, putting that in your mouth. Oh, look, he's trying to fix it. Your Mommy's little engineer. He's trying to figure it out. Hi, bud. Where are you going? Oh, you're going to roll it around on the floor, huh? Patrick! Patrick! There's some juicy thighs you got there. You trying to put it back on? You're such a little fixer. Okay, let's see if we can get it back on for you. Which way do I put it on?